Greetings one and all. I'm rather upset at the moment. Come out here to do some camping. Fire danger right now is high, and yet this is what I come across. A still smoking and smoldering campfire. With fire danger being high, this should have been extinguished completely. And there's a ton of heat coming off of this thing. I mean, it looks like they tried to scatter it, but why didn't they dump any water on it? They also left a sock behind. Well, before I can do anything, I gotta douse this. Because I'm gonna use a different fire pit. Just unbelievable. Do it. I'm glad I brought a cooler with some cold drinks. It's pretty toasty out here. So I'm at the same spot I was at last week. Just because I liked it so much, I decided to come back. And my drive out here, just as I arrived at this spot, I saw a Jeep pulling, older Jeep Wrangler pulling, and I was like, no! So I pulled in anyway, just to see if they were just, stopping to take a whiz or something like that. He said, no, we're just looking for a place to fish. I'm like, oh, okay. It's like, I was thinking about camping here. And he's like, oh, okay, cool. I'm like, it's cool? And he's like, yeah, go ahead. I'm like, sweet. Although, there's plenty of room for both of us, or all three of us, to be here. But I think they were just looking to fish, not camp, so. It was a mite toasty out here. I haven't really... I got my tarp up, I got my cot up, and just moving stuff back and forth to the car, like the cooler, the backpack, and everything else. Worked up sweat. Ooh, the breeze is kicking in. Oh, that's the stuff right there. Get my tripod set up. The one I used last week, I stashed the wood over here and nobody found it, so, which worked out well for me. So I don't have to worry about having to go cut new ones. I'm gonna go fill up my water. I got my bucket this time. I'm gonna fill it up with water and also fill the collapsible bucket for tonight's fire, because we have high fire danger right now. So, and I'm only boiling water for dinner, so I don't need a big fire. I'm just going to cool down before I get to level out the ground a little bit for my cot. So. Alrighty, so what I thought I'd do is show you how I set up my cooler, which I do really simple. I just have a bag of ice. Now this is for going in my Nalgene, so I can have cold water to drink. Then I just have an assortment of beverages. I think I'm going to drink my Diet Snapple now. In fact, delicious. And instead of using ice, I just have these Powerade bottles, and I can get 4 of these for $3.98 at Winco, or not 4, 8 of these, and I just fill them about 3/4 of the way full of water and put them in the freezer, and I got a big ass ice cube. So instead of buying ice, and then I just have one of these freezer packs and another full, and that's how I keep my water. Plus I can tuck my any food items that I need chilled down the side here. Oh no, I just realized I'd forgotten something. Shoot. With an I. Damn it. I forgot my eggs. And then there's no store around here to go get any either. Crap. And I dropped an ice cube. Damn it. There we go. I'll put more water in there in a bit. And that's how I do my cooler. Pretty simple. I should have a jug of a gallon of water in the car, so I'll just fill that up here in a bit. It's good to stay hydrated. Ah, damn, these flies are just relentless. Well, someone took a dump over there, so I think the poo attracted the flies. And so now they're all over the place. That's just a theory. Because they didn't bury it, they just dumped and left it on the ground. But the reason I turned on the camera is I'm just like, I don't know why, but I'm just like feeling like bailing. It's only like, I think I just looked at the clock, it's only like 2:30. I mean, I just got here, but I'm just sitting here like, because I was going to take next week off. Maybe I should have taken this week off and then came out next week, because I've got all last week's outings still to edit and upload, because I was going to take next week off anyway, and just like, now I didn't come out camping, just stay home and chill. But maybe I should have done that this weekend. I would have been more supercharged for next weekend. Or maybe if I come out next week, I'd be more, yeah. Today I'm just like, meh. Man, these flies. Cut me some slack there, guys. I don't know, maybe I'll flip a coin. Honestly, I don't know why I get like this. I left the house, I feel like I left the house late, but I think I got here about the same time. What I brought for dinner doesn't really sound good. I forgot to bring eggs, so I was going to make breakfast burritos in the morning, but now I have no eggs. I could do it without it, but it wouldn't be nearly the same. I mean, breaking down camp wouldn't take that long at all. I don't know. It's not like I can't just pick up where I left off next week. You know, bring basically the same gear. You know, the temperature should be higher, so, but that doesn't really bother me. It's not like it's super hot. Oh, maybe I'll flip a coin. Yeah, chipmunk running around camp. I rarely ever see rodents at camp. Like, I think I've seen a mouse one time, but I almost never see rodents. Which is kind of nice. Oh, excuse me. Oh. I'll have to debate what I'm gonna do. I may flip a coin. Maybe come out next week. Maybe I'll be a little bit more enthused. Man, I do love the spot though. Man, these bugs. Alright, here we go. Tails I bail. No. Can't even catch a damn coin. Oh, heads. Guess I stay. Although it was tails on the ground, so maybe I'll do a tiebreaker. Which if I'm doing a tiebreaker, I might as well just bail. No, tails. Guess I'll bail. I'll just pick up where I left off next week. So.